Welcome to PocketDump.com. I'm going to run through the functions of the Victorinox MiniChamp. So this is classic Swiss Army knife red with the Victorinox logo. It has tough ABS plastic or Cellidor scales and a keyring attachment so that you can attach this to a bunch of keys or a lanyard. So we'll start off on this side. So it has a really tough, long-lasting nail file. The tip is shaped to be able to clean the dirt from behind the nails. We then have a small, thin stainless steel blade, which is super sharp, and that measures just shy of 1 1/4 inches. Okay, this is an interesting tool. This is a tool for peeling oranges and for scraping the pith. Oh, done that one. This tool is for cuticle pushing, so it's designed to push the cuticles down to tidy up nails. One I've missed there. This is a really handy ruler. It has inches and centimetres, and the tip is shaped to be a small flat-headed screwdriver. On the other side, we have another small stainless steel blade, again super sharp, and that measures just over 1 1/4 inches. This is an interesting tool. It is a bottle opener. It's also a Phillips head screwdriver, and it also has this little recess which is a wire stripper. It also has this really handy functioning pair of scissors with a built-in spring so that the scissors open and close. Something really nice about this tool is that it has this little grey switch. If you push that forward, it deploys a pressurized ballpoint pen. Also features a pair of tweezers, and you can also swap the tweezers for a toothpick if you so wished. A great little multi-tool, the Victorinox MiniChamp.